And the firewood is showing.
Everything is.
Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shale, again the name, Let's go there. So guys, we're here cooking. I'm cooking with Mani. Mine is discussing plantain now. Baba eating our New Year breakfast in water go, and I'm just shining like this. We have smiled into 2022,
yes,
and it's going to be a year of favor.
Yes,
in water go. It's going to be a year of favor, a year of upliftment, a year of breakthrough. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Amen. So,
unmerited favor.
Amen.
Unmerited favor.
Hey, yeah, let me see you.
Amen.
Hey.
I'm gonna brush you.
Yeah, where you, man? Yeah, I know. Oh, look at Kainako. Kainako, look at.
So, you can see the firewood has come up. The fire has heated enough, and mine is cutting the plantain. Hey, mine is cutting it big, village.
My go better call you on. All the too big now.
All the juice of buy there is cinnamon. You see, Amanda not about with chicken.
It's molly, I know. It's molly.
So guys, enjoy the rest of the vlog. This is going to be a fun vlog. You know, there's no dull moment.
Sure.
Chidera Giselle baby on the microphone. What I go? Yeah. So without further ado, let us continue with the rest of the video.
Sure.
Oh.
He's training Amanda. I can't see that Amanda is a very neat child. Now has it dirty. Now is making akamu that we used to eat plantain with bread. Now you guys, the concoction we eat in this village, I can't even explain. But he's planning the akamu right now. He's an expert at making akamu. He's a man, but he's an expert at making akamu. He makes akamu better than the ladies in this house.
No, not better than this.
Africa, who dash you? Who dash you? He makes akamu better than the ladies in this house. Everyone, including mine.
Do you know the miracle? Stove. Taking care of that. Also, Sakarade. Hey, Karai, take up one.
This is how I used to do my own account.
If for no miracle, no miracle, name yes.
Miracle, you be going in circular motion to form. It's mommy that taught me this uchenazo. A big pot of akamu, ready to be devoured with akara. You guys, I'm done eating. My stomach is so full. I have to force myself to finish that food. That's one thing. Akara, bread, akamu, village food. That's how we take the chopper. Anyways, we thank God for the gift of food. I'll see you guys later. But she has pointed nose now.
So you don't have pointed nose.
Tomato, no. Okay, you got to share pounds so that dog are this smooth. So you guys, can you see this is another method? There's no light or something. You can cut your tomatoes into the mortar and pound it, and to give you a smooth paste. So I'm going to be using these ingredients to make the Christmas stew. Our chicken is ready. This is the chicken. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Can't test good human.
Why would you let us know vital part? Didn't have vital parts.
Can't you vital?
Can't
we look cook because?
A whole lot of work there.
Guys, the fresh tomato is currently boiling. This is how she pounded it. Look at how well blended it is. Like even blend and pass blender. So it's currently boiling. When it's dry, she's going to bring it down and start the stew processing. Meanwhile, there's the mortar. There's fresh pepper inside and some other spices too. And she's cutting in onions into it too, so that everything is gonna be soft. See what I go? Man, firewood is so fast. Like, it's really boiling this thing so well. I may have to do voiceover for this video. The village video is usually sweet without voiceover, just natural. So you guys, this is evening and we are cooking in the kitchen. I actually had to go and sleep after taking that akamu. You guys, akamu is the greatest sleeping pill on earth. If you don't want to sleep, don't try akamu. But if you want to sleep and you don't want to take any medicine, just take enough akamu. The sleep is going to come naturally. Like, I just had to sleep that sleep. Like, it was not possible for me not to sleep that sleep. So I woke up, I've taken my bath, I've freshened up. I forgot my earring in Owerri. That's why I'm looking like one Sister Mary. Anyways, we are here cooking and I'm going to turn the camera around for you guys to see. If you can see my power bank, village life. You need a power bank in your life in the village. Yeah, until we put on gen in the evening, because NEPA is always on break during Christmas and New Year in the village. But if you come back during normal season, you see lights. But Christmas and New Year, they're always on break. So until the generator is put on in the evening, we're going to be using our power bank. Yeah. I'm supposed to post a video tomorrow. I've not even edited. Oh my god. I need to be serious this year with this my whitey struggle. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Okay, hey, Jesus, you guys, these okokos want to drive me crazy. They want to drive us crazy. We're still here cooking. I'm the cooking assistant. Please don't tell me that I'm not cooking and I'm just testing. I'm actually the cooking assistant.
You're the director.
The director of photography and videography. We're going PLC. I ain't go do. So she's pouring in the mirror, pouring in the stock. Then she already made the stew. This is a new method. I've not seen this method before, but I'm going to start trying it. She already put all the spices, like it's already tasting nice. Then she'll pour it into the stock. Wow. Hey, this is how guys, so she's pounding the onion and the pepper and the spices. She's throwing in the meat now. And I want to plug it with power bank. I want to get the cord. So she's putting the meat into the stew now. Right now. It's here now the crayfish and pepper. Wow. She has not yet put them. She's just putting in the meat now. Mike, you know matter. Bitter leaf. And it's so full.
It's tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning. So you're getting the bitter leaf for tomorrow morning. Wow. So you guys, in case you don't know, this is bitter leaf. Oh my god, this pineapple has choked me. You guys, in case you don't know, this is bitter leaf. This is how the leaf usually is. By the time they wash it and everything to look totally different. Yeah, and this is Mai's garden. She plants it here. So she's currently bringing it out. I'll be plucking it so that we can use it to cook soup tomorrow. Tomorrow is for Olubo soup and akpu. So you guys, this is my cousin. She's going for Ofeke day. I've been warning her since about this Ofeke day. Just stay at home. She's going for Ofeke. Normally, two of us are supposed to be stepping out now. Before, by this time last year, like two of us go fake it. It's not even about fear, beg.
Going to see my classmates.
Boys are faking now. You see them at the fake.
But I'll pass them.
So it's not the same thing. So she's off to fake it. Look at her. She's putting on biker shorts. I've been telling her in the house that it's tight. It's not biker shorts. Hey, Jesus, snap picture for us at to fake you. So you guys, she's done pounding now and she's about to put it into the stew. See how Giselle pound is it? That's what I was asking her to hear. So you guys, food is ready. So come and eat. Nothing like firewood cooking. Firewood cooking is the best. Go and ask. Local rice with stew that has some ugu. Who does not know what ugu is? I have 2 meats here. This one and the wings. The wings are my best part in meat. Like even if it's only these wings I got, I'll be okay. Instead of getting another big meat.
The what?
Wings. Easy. You guys, we came to buy fuel at the market square, and we went to see one of our relatives. Everywhere is dark, but I know you guys can hear me. We went to see one of our relatives at that place. We're currently getting fuel at the market square so that we can on the gen at home. So we'll be leaving for home right now. Yeah.